Mike, first, before anything, look back at your first year as an Edmonton Eskimo. The wins weren't there that you wanted, but you had some personal success and kind of got your career on track. Are you pretty happy with the way it worked out?
Yeah, I mean, you got to look at the positives and the negatives. I mean, from a win-loss perspective, we were not where we wanted to be or where we should be, and those are things that we need to improve in the future. But you do have to look individually at things that not only you can build off of, but things that you need to improve on. And there's plenty of work to be done, but there's things that we did this year well, and there are things that we need to continue to build on. So, you try to learn as much as you can from all the experiences, and I think that there's a lot to build off of.
The offense for the Eskimos got going probably in that game in Montreal. Take me back to that game and what you remember of it. It was a game where you were taken out, then put back in. Big comeback that fell just short, but from that point on, it seemed that the Eskimos' offense really took off.
Yeah, being a first-year player on this team, I think the opportunity in Montreal with the game on the line at the end was an opportunity for us to really learn about each other, about the rest of the team and the offense, kind of figured out what type of quarterback I am. I think that when you're facing adversity, you really learn the most about people, and I think needing to drive the field at the end of the game to get a touchdown, to get the win, nobody buckled under the pressure. Everybody just had the confidence that we were going to make it happen, and we kind of rode that for the rest of the season, especially the middle portion, for a number of weeks, going, okay, we're capable of doing anything. There's no task too big for this offense, and I think that was something that we built off of from that point on.
And the other game, I guess, that people remember most, and a game that affected the offense, was the game here against Toronto and the hit where you received the concussion. From that point on, the offense just didn't seem the same. You came back and played the next week and were okay, but it just didn't seem the same as it was before that.
Yeah, we had been building on some momentum and confidence, such a big part of football that, we'd had a number of weeks where we were successful. We had put ourselves in a pretty good position to go into postseason play if we got a couple of wins at home, and playing in front of our home crowd against a Toronto defense that we had quite a bit of success against earlier in the year. We felt like that was really a game that could catapult us for the rest of the season. And when I was taken out of the game and we weren't able to close out the victory, that was a tough blow for us, because it was another loss at home in front of our crowd, and it kind of flipped the momentum. It took it away from us, and we were never able really to capture that again for the rest of the season. So that was definitely a big turning point in our season, but it's something that you got to look at critically and figure out what we can do differently in the future so that doesn't happen.
You go out with a win in Saskatchewan. You lose your coach this week, but looking forward, still a lot of excitement for 2014.
Yeah, no doubt about it. I think that there's still great things in store for us in the future, but they're not just going to happen. We got to go out there and we got to do the work and figure out what we need to do to improve. At the end of the season, it is nice to have that win, because there's only going to be us and the Grey Cup champs that finish their season on a win. So you got to be able to take the small victories when you can, and to get on that plane ride home knowing the season was over, but feeling the positive energy from a win was a nice way to close out the year. But we got a lot of work to do in the off season, and we're excited about it. We're excited about the challenge, and I think 2014 is going to hold some really good success for us.